Our topic translation. My name is Arshad Hussain. We start. Transfer RNA constitute about 10% of the total amount of RNA in the cell. The tRNA were the starting point. The lower left of noded of tRNA explain law is the wave of loops and helix, allowing a large number of potential base pairing combination. In this model, separate passes layers. The of the tRNA can shift independently, increase the number of possible arrangement. This concept, natural gene, highlight the condensity of biological molecule like tRNA. When the tRNA structure developed by heat, it can retain signally from a force called denaturation. In 1919, Rick used X-ray analysis to study the structure of uh, phenylalanine tRNA. tRNA. He grounded that it has two helix segment correct a right angle shape like T later. Translation is the process which the genetic coded of from mRNA which copied from DNA is used to break a protein. Ribosome are the reaching that protein translation. Ribosome are the reaching that protein translation. They are spherical particular that the only seen under the electron microscope, and between size is between 15 to 25 in diameter. Ribosome are made up of ribosomal RNA tRNA. Is two subunit in ribosomal uh, ribosome in eukaryotic ATS unit and SID subunit. Prokaryotic ribosome are smaller with 70s ribosome than 70s ribosome. Each is up to smaller subunit 50 and 30 s of the unit. The larger subunit of molecule weight, the molecular weight of 1.8 million atom dalton, uh, while small subunit weight about 0.7 to 1.0 million dalton. Ribosome to function the protein biosynthesis, creation protein called transfer of factor needed. The process of the process. Initiation of translation being the when the ribosomal RNA and special tRNA are coded from together. Elongation after inhalation, amino acid are used to one by one to growth polypeptide chain. Role of ribosome subunit 30 is ribosome responding for binding mRNA and binding of correct tRNA. A ribosomal opening and closing is the ribosomal both is alternate to between open and closed state. In the closed state, a new amino acid brought the amylase tRNA. Its position is closed to growing polypeptide chain allowing to together. On the whole, the protein biosynthesis is determined rate of transcription and translation permeably than the rate of measurement, since with the RNA label with the realize the observed in correction between the length and label mRNA and polymers, and there and a free level of mRNA present. Bye bye, thank you, alvida, bye.